So here we go. Today's January 20th, 2026. I don't know why it always gets rid of my template to make it big, but it's all good. Yeah, so today's January 6th, 2026. Or no, January 20th, 2026. And yeah, here we go. So we do have a bullish SMT. Let's look for draws on liquidity. We got London high above, right? We got London low below. We got previous day high or low at all. No previous day high apparently. Wait, what? Shouldn't this be previous day high? I guess it's not including Martin Luther King Day. We also have a bearish SMT here. Okay. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this for a second. Let's look at the high time frame. We do have a new week opening gap here. And this is a 1 hour for value gap. It did inverse though. Two hour did not inverse yet. Four-hour gap here. Yeah, that's a pretty strong balanced price range there. All right. Hey, what up, Javier? Good morning. My eye kind of hurts for some reason, but it's all good. Yeah, I'm not here to impress anyone. I'm not here to prove anything. I'm just here to show up and take some trades. So we have this new week opening gap. I'm loving how we're interacting with these new week opening gaps. It does seem like we're rejecting this new week opening gap here with bearish SMT. But now we do have the bullish SMT there. This is a 1 hour bearish gap here. Turn off all alarms. It does kind of seem like we might reject this. Yeah, let's just go with that for now. For now. I'm not saying that's gonna... Well, okay, actually we'll see. No, we have bullish SMTs. I'm still deciding kind of what's going on here. Yeah, that looks kind of bullish. And I guess we did tap the bottom of this new week opening gap here. Now we have bullish SMT. But no, because you could easily say, like, we did have change in state to the downside. I don't know. I don't like days like today. It just doesn't... For longs? Nice. It just does not feel super clear to me right now. We do have this breaker here. We have bearish SMT at the bottom. Hey, there are true opens. Why isn't the true session line drawing? Oh, whoops. That's why. That looks like a Phoenix right here. Phoenix type A. I guess the only main draw on liquidity is like London high or London low. Those are the two main ones. I mean, yeah, no, because we're in this higher time frame imbalance. That's the thing. Like, we could keep going lower if it were just if there were liquidity below, but there's a giant 1 hour BPR here, which is it's suspicious to me. I feel like we could reverse. Okay, wait. I should just read the market start to finish. Okay, so what happened? True week open, true day open, both get manipulated. Wait, yeah, let's read the market start to finish here. True week open and true day open both get taken. The downside. But now we're below them. Now we're below them. Yeah. I don't know. I think it could reverse here. Man, I liked price action yesterday better than today. Like, not because it's today's is bad, but I don't know. Today's is more confusing to me. I guess, is this a 5 minute outside bar? Javier, is this 5 minute outside bar valid? I like it when it closes above the high is the only thing. But maybe it's valid. Oh, yeah, I didn't sweep any low. Yeah. Interesting thing about where price action is right now, guys, is we don't really have any new day opening gaps, but we have a ton of new week opening gaps because we're in this old price action from weeks and weeks and weeks ago. But as far as new days are concerned, we don't have any new day opening gaps. Very, very strange situation. Normally, yeah, anyway. Sorry, something distracted me on my phone. Uh, if you guys are wondering, I withdrew some of the money from my live account. Well, the rest of the money that was in there. Um, I might have withdrew it to an old bank account that I don't have anymore. It's kind of confusing. I don't know. But it said it went through, but it shouldn't have gone through. It shouldn't have gone through because apparently it did go through, but it shouldn't have gone through because I don't think I have that bank account. So it's confusing. Well, I guess I sent my money to the wrong bank account. I don't even know what bank account that is. That's not. It's not even a bank account that I have. Whatever. obviously messed that up. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this bank account because it's not mine. Or at least it might be my old one. I don't know. Well, if it didn't go through, then it'll probably refund. It'll probably bring the money back. So. Oh, contact support. Alright, I'll do it later. It's all good. Okay, back to trading. Yeah, we had a 15-minute inversion for value gap right here. Actually, it was a 30-minute inversion for value gap. So I could see the drawn liquidity at least being London. Yeah, anyway, you live and you learn with that kind of stuff, you know. I'll learn and I'll try and figure out what happened, but yeah, I think we'll draw to London here. We have the 30-minute inversion. It's a 30-second change in state off of it. Off of the breaker. We got a Reaper imbalance here. Wow, look at how Phoenix Model and the Reaper for value gap tag teamed this low here. That's kind of sick. Yeah, I'm bullish here. We have equal highs below all the true opens. RTH gap to the upside. I mean, I'm just going to zoom out really quickly. Yeah, I mean, we're within that BPR. So I think that's case for a reversal back up. Okay, I'm going to be watching carefully here. Okay, we're getting a reaction. We might have got an outside bar. Yeah, nice little explosive candle there. Oh wow, look at that. Perfectly the session statistical manipulation level right there. That's beautiful. Okay, I want to clean this up a little bit. Honestly, I want a little bit more of a clean chart. But I think we're going to be bullish here. The 30 minutes inverse to the upside, and we got London high above. Almost looks like an outside bar going to form. Like it hasn't formed yet, but it's going to. We got 5 minutes till market open. Once again, tons of bullish SMTs. We just swept out that low. We just got a 5-minute CRT back up to the high. Equal highs here. I mean, this, maybe if that inverses, but this is a, I mean, you probably want to merge these two because this is all a giant gap. But maybe not. Maybe you don't need to. Yeah, it kind of looks like we've swept out the liquidity in this consolidation, and this seems like a manipulation leg before expansion, right? You can kind of almost feel it, like sell side of curve, buy side of curve. Then again, what's the bearish? What's the idea for bearish? What's the bearish case? Actually, there's a bearish case too. It's a 5-minute gap. Dang, man. Yeah. I might be offside, actually. Yeah. Yeah, it actually does kind of look a little bearish here. Or not. Okay. Is that market open? Nah, it's not. Oh, that's some nice displacement right there. Now we got a 1 minute, a 30-second change in state. Oh, I didn't see your message. The higher time frame low needs to hold for longs to be valid. Like this one, you mean? I agree. I agree. This one right here. Seeming. We got 1 minute till market open. We just inverse this 1 minute. But we also just took that true open. I'm keeping an open mind. More left. Oh, this one? I'm watching this 5 minute gap. I think this 5 minute gap is playing a very important piece in the puzzle, because if it doesn't inverse, that's a red flag, But if it does inverse, cool. So now it's about to inverse. Nope, it didn't inverse. It didn't inverse, guys. It's still going higher, though. That was weird. Because it didn't inverse the 5 minute, but we went higher. Hey, what up? Good morning. This might be a short if this violently closed. Should have trusted myself. Oh my gosh, it's all good. Nah, it's just it's a 5 second trade. It's not the big deal. Yeah, I actually like this inversion to the downside. Well, no, I haven't taken any trades yet. We are forming pretty big bearish SMTs here. We also still have the bullish SMT. Did we ever end up taking London high? No, we never took London high. Okay. So London high is probably a draw on liquidity still. I haven't seen really anything yet. I did kind of have the vibes the market was gonna pump. Prior to market open. And I was right. Just because these bullish SMTs and being below all the true opens. But now that we've pumped, we could go either way here. Then again, let's just zoom out. Once again, we still have this 30-minute inversion for value gap. We still have all these highs up here. We're within that 1 hour BPR. Yeah, I mean, it might be safe to say we might just pump. Oh, where's the first percent for value gap? Oh, it's right here, right? No, it's not. It's right here. First percent for value gap is right here. Where is my first percent for value gap indicator and why isn't it working? My first percent for value gap indicator is broken, clearly. Because this is the first percent for value gap, right? Oh, no. No, it's not. That's a 30-second. Never mind. Overreacting. Looks like we might have had a... Ooh, we had a 15-second outside bar there. I did not see that. Y'all see that 15-second outside bar? That's menacing right there. That 15-second outside bar was just menacing. With SMTs. Once again, you have to see that right as it forms. It's kind of hard. So now we've taken London high. Finally, we have the first center for value gap. So yeah, once again, at the lows down here prior to market open, got the vibes we were bullish because the bullish SMTs were below the true opens. Oh, yo. I mean, what's the objective, right? We have the RTH gap above still. This whole entire thing is an RTH gap. There's also an RTH gap below. That's important to recognize. But you could kind of get the vibes of why we would get a reaction here because it was a 1 hour BPR. We're getting like a 15-second change in state right here. That might deliver us lower. 30-second inverse as well. Nah, there's no way to get an entry. Where's the first line for gap again? Yeah, so we might actually want to use this for longs. Because in the long run, this is still somewhat bullish. Meaning, like, we should continue filling that RTH gap. Yeah, this right here might be trade. I'm a little uncertain. We don't have bullish SMT here. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's nice. Oh, man, wait. Okay, I want to enter, but man, I wanted to take that change in state, but session distribution levels right at true day open. Okay, I think he could long here. Being precautious. Oh, and that broke. Oh, it broke. And there was an instant dump. There was an instant dump. Oh my gosh. Whew. Yeah, you can see that inversion, and then there was instant dumpage. Instant dumpage after the inversion. You gotta be on your toes, guys. You gotta be on your toes. That was nice. Do you see that? Did you guys see that? The 15-second inverse. And then we went lower. We have bullish SMT here. We might run true day or true session open and then go higher. Oh. I was gonna say it could be outside bar, but I don't want to rush into it. Yeah, I know. I'm watching. Wait, 1 minute outside bar. Oh yeah, there was a 1 minute outside bar at the high there. Oh, there was a 15-second outside bar. I knew it. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. I saw it. I knew it was coming. I could see those bullish SMTs forming. I had a feeling it was coming. I should have stayed looking. Dang it. I knew. I had a sense. Like, it was like a FA spider sense. I kind of just knew we were going to form an outside bar to the upside. I'm going to switch the screen. We still have not taken true session open, which makes me suspicious of longs, at least for now. Oh my gosh, why can't you see me? There we go. I think that we might get an inversion and it might fail because we haven't taken true session open. It might work. Oh, if we get 15-second change of state here, the downside. Then I'll take this down to true session open. Or, hey, what up? Oh, there's a 15-second outside bar to the upside. Close too high. Okay, I'm just going to be prepared to take something because I can tell we're going to get something here. I think we might get a first strike to the downside. It's kind of hard to like, I want to see true session open taken. That's the thing. That's the main thing I'm thinking right now. Nope, the inversion to the upside's working. Okay. Yeah, the inversion to the upside's working. Man, I knew that 15-second outside bar. Look for RJBS. What's a RJBS? Yeah, we're obviously something's going on with the first center for value gap here. We almost got rejection blocks. Yeah, you can see there was a rejection block that just held, actually. I think. Actually, I take that back. I'm suspicious because we haven't taken true session open. That's the main thing for me. Nah, this ain't obvious yet. This could play out, but I don't know if it's interacting with the first percent for value gap well enough. I'd prefer to see this hold for the upside here. At this point. If we got a 15-second outside bar here. Okay, I will just enter one micro and then figure out the stop loss in a second. Yeah, rejection blocks could send us lower. Yeah, exactly. Kind of looking like high resistant liquidity. We had a 30-second change in state there. SMT. Oh. What I'm looking for is right now. I guess I'm looking for something obvious, right? What's the gray block? Oh, this thing? Oh, oh yeah, I don't. Oh, it was the inversion for value gap. I forgot to get rid of it. Oh, there you go. But is it that clear though? Is it? I don't think so. I just don't know. I've seen better. Let's run this as high resistant. I think it is high resistant. Yo. See, I'm glad I didn't take that because it was not that obvious, in all honesty. Very tricky. You have to really be on your feet. Anything within here should be just one micro, right? Yeah. Anything within here is going to be one micro. So I'm just going to know to execute with one micro. Okay, turns out might be low resistance. Dang, bro. It turns out it was low resistance. Oh, oh, oh. Oh man, I was gonna say low time frame outside bar, but but guys, I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm also trying not to take anything that I don't think is obvious. You know, there's balances to this thing. Ooh, that was violent. Are we in a breaker block to the downside? Um, the downside? I don't know, but I think now we probably expand up to these highs. Yeah, it was very not straightforward. Like, there's so many interactions with this first presented for value gap that could have gone either way. But yes, I think you're correct. I think there is some kind of breaker here. Now, the question is this stronger or is this liquidity stronger, right? I think the liquidity stronger. Why are there no new day opening gaps? Oh yeah, because we're all the way down here. Oh yeah, we just kind of had like a little displacement here. We're above the true open. Okay, I like this as a 2022 gap right here. But it's a 5-second one. Should I try it? Oh, too late. I don't know. I kind of feel like we're still expanding up. Like everything that goes to the downside's failing. I think we gotta take before shorts are valid. They'll probably have to take true day open and true week open, which makes me a little bullish. So this change in state might drive us up to true day open. But it's not that obvious. Hey, we used this gap again. Hey, we have a 2022 Plus where you take a change state off of a 2022 model. That was cool. I didn't even notice that. We're inversing this on the 1 minute. Bearish SMTs formed there. "30-second inverse." Ooh. I kind of like that. I'm going to go ahead and plop a limit order in. Oh, never mind. Dang it. Oh, why didn't I take that? No. Why didn't I take that? I suck. Oh, why didn't I take that? Oh my gosh. Why didn't I take that? I knew that was good, dude. Oh, man. Such a reactionary game. Why didn't I take that? I knew that was good. I like that inversion. I think that would have hit 2R there. It was quick. It's hard, guys. It's hard. Like, it is not easy. Like, it's super reactionary. Like, 1 minute I'm bearish, 1 minute I'm bullish. Because in these conditions, it's definitely given the vibes of maybe a little bit of seek and destroy a little bit, which means I'm trying to be more reactionary. Which, in my opinion, is not a bad thing. It's just a type of price action. And I'm trying to be more reactionary, and I like that 30-second long. Probably should have taken it, but it's all good. Okay, let's kind of like refocus a little bit here on what's going on. Once again, we have not really taken true day open, true week open. That makes me suspicious for short or for like bit higher time frame shorts. Then again, we never took true session open, so I don't know why we went up anyways. But this inversion might take us lower here. 30-second change in state there. Yeah, it's very you can see why we have to rely on low time frames, because zoom out to the 5 minute. Does this make any sense to trade? No. That's why I'm on the low time frame. Right? Very back and forth. I think we could get one final move up here, and then that might be the trade that we end up getting. Inverse value up is formed in the 2 minute. I don't buy it. I don't think it was that good. I think we more likely filled this, and then we're going to go up. There's no real liquidity above, though. That's the thing. I'm trying to play reactionary, guys, but it's hard. Like there's not enough real liquidity above. Might need to sweep this low again, but we definitely have a lot of bullish SMTs here. We have an old gap or anything. Yeah, it's the first then for value gap. We've been interacting with it all day. Well, we've been just shopping around it. I don't know about interacting with it. 15-minute inside bar is bearish. I'm liking these bullish SMTs. And I kind of want to run this up to... Did we get the outside bar? Oh man, no. This ain't obvious. This ain't obvious yet. It's not obvious. I'm trying so hard to hold myself back. I am trying. I'm trying. It does kind of look like we're filling this first time value gap though a little bit. Okay, what do you guys think about limit order right here with these bullish SMTs? I don't know. That ain't obvious either. Oh man, this is hard. And again, this 15-second one's not terrible. We might reject it and go lower. Just have bullish SMTs is the thing. You're still aiming for that IFG to the downside? Fair. I don't think anything's obvious. Honestly. It's very hard to hold myself back, though. Kind of looks like we're holding the first line for value gap with bullish SMT. That's what it looks like to me. Yo, 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 wait. No, we didn't get it. Really does look like we're expanding higher here. Okay, I'm gonna be ready to take a first strike to the upside. Jake is regretting. I'm ready to click this button whenever I see something. I'm not regretting nothing. I haven't even taken anything. We have a Phoenix here. Forming to the downside or what? I'm trying, guys. This ain't obvious for me. In all honesty, this isn't obvious. Bullish on the high time frame. Guys, this could be the most baller trade ever if I just like, cause this is like basically all accumulation, right? So if you think about it, 1 month later, still no progress. I think there's been lots of progress. I'm learning every day. I honestly don't think there'll be monetary progress for a while because I'm not going to be trading on my real money for a while, and I don't care to. It's not about that for me at this point because I want to prove to myself I can do it on Sim. Why am I risking real money if I can't do it on Sim? Right? Now, I've done it before. I've gotten payouts and stuff, but like I just want to keep getting better with trading. That's my main thing. All right, I'm liking the way we're reacting here. It is psychological. I'm thinking we're going to get AMD to the upside. We just swept out this low. I think we're going to get AMD to the upside. Bro, it's just Ant-Man. That's just how he is. I don't know. This is looking good. I think we're gonna expand higher here. I think we're gonna expand higher fairly soon. Only thing is, I kind of wanted to see True Session Open get hit. Uh, so many ideas, so many thoughts. Ant-Man, I'm ignoring you nowadays. I'm from now on, Ant-Man, I think anything you say in the chat, I think I'm gonna be permanently ignoring you because I've had so many conversations with you about this. It's just so pointless. So I'm not. I'm gonna be ignoring you basically permanently because we've talked about this so many times. I don't feel the need to keep explaining myself, so I'm just gonna ignore you from now on, bro. I'm sorry. Not, I know you don't think you're hating, but it is coming. It does come off as pretty condescending and, you know. Anyway, it's all good though. But I'm just not gonna read. I'm just not gonna read it, bro. Coming along. If we close above that wick. Only if we close above that wick. Nope, never mind. I'm looking along very soon. Look at the hidden NWOG. Oh yeah, we gotta look at hidden NWOGs. I need to make a video about hidden NWOGs. I keep forgetting. Oh, yo, we tapped a 15-minute for VAG. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. We tap a 15-minute for VAG up there. We're about to get longs. We're about to get longs. There's no... Yeah, I was like, what? No, but there is such things, bro. If you, like, go on to... Click out of B-adjust, sometimes you'll see NWOGs that are not there. That are there. So that's something that I've discovered through my back testing. Y'all think we need to go a little lower? Yeah, because here's the thing about going lower is we might need to take True Session Open. People like Dodgy will come into the market. No offense to Dodgy, no hate to Dodgy, but they'll come into the market and they'll say, eventually this will turn higher. Eventually this will turn low resistance, but it's high resistant right now. And I know this is gonna run eventually, but it's not running. Dodgy says this a lot. You'll see him say this a lot. Like this inversion, I know we're gonna go run this trendline liquidity, but I don't know why we're not running it. And usually the reason we don't run it is because we haven't taken a true open. That's usually why. And it's really actually fascinating. I think we need to go lower. Go take True. What's it called? True Session Open here. I think we're gonna take True Session Open. Once we take True Session Open, the market will be good for longs. At this point, I'm not longing unless we take True Session Open. And I also want to see the new, what's it called? The new 90-minute open form. When does that happen? That won't happen for 22 minutes. Wait, 10:52. Okay, that won't happen for a while. This might turn into like an 11 a.m. reversal type of thing, where we might not get the reversal until 11 a.m. A lot of times there's like 10 a.m. reversals and 11 a.m. reversals. We might not get a reversal till 11 a.m. here. Also, pay attention to price action, guys. There's a reason I haven't executed a trade. It's just because it's just not obvious. There's nothing obvious. Ant-Man, you realize that that's basically ICT, right? It's all the same. The trading world, everything that exists in this trading world is all related to each other. So, I have nothing against your trading strategy. To me, taking a momentum break and retest is a change of state of delivery retest. It's the same thing. It's just different ways of looking at it, right? We might break this now. Maybe not. You got a 5R in paper? Dang. That's incredible. Yeah, I figured this was going to reject us. That was like a pretty fast forming sweep and then bearish SMT and then displacement lower. So yeah, once again, why haven't we gone up? Because the true open, right? The true open. This is why I like true opens. Helps you understand why the market's not moving. Long 155. What do you mean by 100? Like all the way down at 155? You think we're gonna go all the way that low? That's crazy. Anyway, I know we're gonna go run these highs, so I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I know we're gonna go run them. I mean, let's be real. Let's be so for real. When we do get this trade, this might be like 7R because of how much liquidity's been generated. So let's be real. Let's be so for real here. So I would consider that a first strike. That change in state on the 5-second. It was a subtle one though, and it was hardly a retest. We retested the wick. This is hard to watch. Yeah, dang. Outside bar forming. Outside bar. $30-second outside bar. Okay, I'm taking it.
Order filled.
Hey, Ant-Man, what do you think about this, huh? What do you think about this, Ant-Man? Hey, Ant-Man, where's Ant-Man at? Hey, Ant-Man. Ant-Man. What do you have to say about this? What do you have to say about this, bro? Where's Ant-Man? Ant-Man, you gonna say something? Ant-Man, where are you, bro? You gonna say something? Ant-Man, I can't hear you. You gonna say something? You gonna say something, Ant-Man? Whoa! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put a trailing stop in here. Okay. Let's run this up to the highs. Ant-Man.
Stop field.
Oh my gosh. That's good. That's good. Alright. GG's. GG's. Oh my gosh. Outside bars are cracked. Javier, man. That was insane. Should have been a 4R. It was for it ended. So this was a 4R trade, but it took it as 2.5R. So meaning like, it registered as a 2.5R for some reason, but it should have been 4R. It's all good. It's all good. All right, I'm gonna take a little break. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. The 30-second. The 30-second. This right here. Alright. I'm taking a break. That was awesome. I should, yeah. That was awesome. I think I executed that perfectly. Like, I know I got trailed out, but that's fine. Like, I wanted to at least let myself, in case it kept going, I wanted to trail it in case it kept going. I think I executed that perfectly. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Alright. Yeah. But yeah, I'm taking a break. That was awesome. That was just awesome. I need to make sure my limit orders are all closed. Dude, I waited like 2 hours for that trade. I waited like 2 hours for that. Dang, bro. Yeah, I'm taking a break. What time is it? It's almost done with the live trading window. I could have held it to the highs. I knew I could have, but it's all good. Yeah, what time is it? Oh my gosh, it's not the end of the live trading window. That's crazy. I might just end the stream here though, because I think that's enough trading for me. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna end the stream. I want to end it on a good note, so I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate all you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.